Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, and you're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. We do day trading for ROI payout, no trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. And we've got non-farm payroll market structure for February 3rd, 2023. And of course, that's at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time catalyst. We'll do some supply demand, market structure, price action, and order flow. What I threw up on a chart here was zooming out on the supply demand order flow for the year. Basically on the 120, you could see there's no supply the last few days. It's all demand, cumulative delta up here, and fairly okay pace, but again, just no supply, all demand. So I'll go into the charts more in detail, so let's get right to it. 24 hours, and this is the third candle upper Bollinger Band zip code. So that's the first thing to note. With the overnight pivot actually above upper Bollinger Band, there's that. And then there's the green algo here, double pullback trend buy signal. So that's not letting up. I think we've had 3 days in a row of that signal. We've got an anchored VWAP at 97.1. So if I had my first target for the mildest mean reversion, that's it right here at the blue dot, 97.1. Below that, air from the 3 EMA coming in at 90.7. And then we've got two market profile structures below. The first one coming in at 86.2 to 75.4, and the second one is 58.3 to, again, about 41 and change. So I'm going to go over that at the end on the market profile structure, but this is very important about how we've got trap traders at these two levels. The other thing I would note is the Powell anchor VWAP since the announcement of the rate hikes. That's coming in at 1979.6, and then the prior RTH open at 83.9. That about wraps the 24-hour. The order flow below, of course, has been all north on the strength of the hits. Same with the pace, all green. So bulls are in control. So let's get to the next chart. The 120. So the first thing I want to note is we've got 19 bars above without touching this middle Bollinger Band. So that tells me right now we are going to be quite ripe if we don't touch it in the Friday trading at some point. So the other thing is I've got two structure zones I already covered in the 24-hour. The middle Bollinger Band's coming again 1990 currently, so that could go all the way up very easily to the 19.7 target that I've got from the 24-hour, which was the whole anchored VWAP zone for yesterday. The stat from how we opened on Monday at 1960.80 to the Globex pivot for Friday, 4.65%. So the bulls have just stomped the stuffing out of shorts, and they're not letting up as of Friday Europe Globex. Let's go to the next chart on the Renko. Okay, the Renko money chart from top left, where we had the Thursday RTH close above the upper Keltner, and then post close on the RTH, we tag above it again. And here we are, RTH ends, and we open Friday Globex Asia. Currently, we don't even have 8 handles on the range. So Asia, bracket, and then the pivot comes in right around 96, 95.8, call it. So definitely, again, that's confluent to all the other charts I've already shown. So as far as strength of the hits goes, you can see it's just very diminished demand. We've had some supply come in, but it's not moving price out of the bracket. So really nothing to pay attention to here until we get that 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time non-farm payroll. So last chart, market structure. Market profile, this is the market structure. So this FOMC day gave us two single print areas with trap shorts. So the first area is the O period with single prints. And you can see here I've got this FOMC initial balance high, 1945-2. The second period happened in the M period. M as in Mary, single prints. So that was there, and you can see that is coming in at just the first tip at 86.2. Other than that, the Thursday RTH profile all was above, and we have balance basically happening here at the overnight pivot. It coming in about 2006 and change, and it's just not moving. It's intrackable. So again, no idea how the reaction is going to be on non-farm payrolls. It's totally a bull market still. So we could go up and stay, or we could go up and then come back down. But the 97 target I have, that comes in right around here. So you can see maybe a point below the Globex profile, where we almost already visited that zone already in Friday. There you have it. That is the market structure for Friday. I just want to have a good understanding and put it on the video journal of where we are with all these single prints from FOMC day, and how it looks to me like we could very well close above all of that and not do any business significantly below in these periods until next week. Not making a prediction, but I'm going to be ready to react if it does happen earlier, and I'm going to brace myself for the non-farm payroll. Have good risk management. Aloha. Take care.